Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Music City Series Detroit wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason, like it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. If you decide you just want to get a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history, all of the settings off of it, so you can set this speaker up basically like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. It's really easy to do. With the speaker on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button right here and the volume up button right there, and we're going to press and hold both of those buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds until you actually will hear the speaker say factory reset. Once it says factory reset, you can release the buttons and go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box. You're going to want to delete the old pairing off your phone or whatever and repair it like a brand new speaker.